Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile background on Solo Leveling Arise. First of all, launch open Solo Leveling Arise application on your device, and once you're inside the game section, go ahead and tap on your profile name at the top left corner. This will take you to your profile section. In your profile section, you will see your background over here. Go ahead and tap on the pencil button at the bottom left corner and you'll see this player details menu, and other menus such as hunters, profile card, background will appear on the page. Select backgrounds from the top right and you'll be able to see different profile backgrounds you can use from. Some of the backgrounds are not unlocked yet, whereas you'll see some of the backgrounds has already been unlocked. Choose the background you'd like to use in your profile and tap on Save at the bottom right corner, and with this, you'll be able to change your background in your profile on Solo Leveling Arise. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.